Hey y'all, Coach Cousins here with CalFresh Healthy Living Programs, preparing a ReThink Your Drink beverage. It's called Watermelon Cooler. So what you're gonna need, which is really simple, okay? Watermelons. Now, if you choose to go Coach Cousins route, you're gonna need cucumbers as well. Let's start it off, all right? I've already sliced the watermelon to kill time, okay? Okay, I didn't cut it, someone else did, but we killed time anyway. 2 cups of watermelon. We're gonna scoop them. I'm gonna scoop it here, score it in there. That wasn't really a full cup, okay? Here we go. Now that's about a full cup. Here comes cup number 2. And there it is. 2 cups of watermelon. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just sprinkle a few cucumbers down inside, all right? Now I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. If you want that alkaline water, fine. We've got filters. So I'm gonna pour all that in. I'm gonna put the top on it. Make sure the top is secure on the blender, okay? We don't need this stuff popping out, flying out. It's gonna be a mess. You ready? Look at that. Now that I've poured what was in the blender into our container, let's see what we've got here. Oh yeah, nice and chill. Go ahead and top off our beverage. Now it's time to try out our watermelon coolers. Cheers. We've got ourselves a winner, folks.